What does it really mean when the Constitution says equality before the law? Article 14 isn't just a legal clause, it's one of the strongest pillars of Indian democracy. It promises that the state cannot deny any person equality before the law or equal protection of the laws. In simple words, powerful impact. It's what protects every individual from arbitrary state action. But here is the twist. Article 14 applies only to the state actions under Article 12. So, unaided private minority institutions, they are outside its scope. The Supreme Court made this clear in the TMA Pai Foundation and PA Inamdar cases, meaning equality can't be demanded where the Constitution doesn't place obligations. There are other exceptions too. Under Article 361, the President and the governors enjoy immunity for their official acts, and foreign ambassadors, they are protected not by Article 14 but by the Vienna Convention, which India recognizes. And yet, Article 14 is more than just a rule of formal equality. It also stands for substantive equality, the idea that sometimes to treat people fairly, the state must uplift those who have been historically disadvantaged. That's the true spirit of Article 14, treating equals alike and supporting the unequal so real fairness can exist. Now solve the question and comment your answer below. For more such clear and powerful constitutional insights, stay connected with Vision IAS.